The 2021 Toyota Sienna received high ratings from both consumers and experts. This is a spacious and durable minivan with safe and comfortable features, making it perfect for families. It lacks something in tech features and appearance, though, and price may be an issue for some consumers. What's good? The 2021 Toyota Sienna continues Toyota's tradition of longevity and durability. If taken care of with regular maintenance, this minivan will likely last several 100,000 miles. With that kind of lifespan, consumers will get their money's worth out of this van. A unique feature this van offers is the all-wheel drive option, something no other minivan offers. This feature makes the van excellent for areas with tough winter weather. Passengers won't complain about comfort or space with this minivan. With excellent handling, precision steering, and comfortable seating, it offers a smooth and pleasing ride. It can seat up to 8 people and has plenty of leg and headroom, or the extra space can be used to haul larger items. Even with all this space and size, this minivan still gets decent gas mileage in town or on the highway. What's bad? While the Toyota Sienna excels in longevity, space, and comfort, consumers may desire more in other areas. This van doesn't have as many high-tech features as other vehicles in its class. It also has a slightly older look that could use some updates, and there is no hybrid version of this vehicle. Compared to other minivans, this one can be slightly more expensive, and while it gets decent gas mileage, there are more fuel-efficient options. Very few mechanical issues have been reported for this van, though if there is an issue, service and parts may be more expensive than for other brands. This van has very few cons overall, though. What do experts say? Experts agree with consumers that the Toyota Sienna is a reliable, comfortable, and spacious minivan, and in most areas they place it above class competitors like the Honda Odyssey, Kia Sedona, and Chrysler Pacifica. Experts also add that this van has plenty of safety features as well as a hefty V6 engine. This engine gives the van power to tow up to 3,500 pounds, but it still allows the van to maintain decent fuel mileage. On top of this, large windows give uncompromised visibility. The only additional con the experts noted was a slightly higher noise level than other minivans. Other than this, it rated very high in expert reviews.